Okay, hello guys, welcome to the bi-weekly tech update. Here the goal is to give you an insight about what we're doing, what we've done more precisely during these past 2 weeks, and to give you an overview of the development as well as the research, so that you know where we're going and that we can share feedback from you, knowing whether you share the vision and stuff. It's already good for us to have all the time this exchange with you, and this is a good way to do it, and seems like pretty much appreciated. So first thing first, as some of you might already know, or maybe you saw in other announcements or videos, we are developing right now a browser, the PikcioBrowser, also powered by a very powerful search engine, the Pikcio search engine. Things are building themselves up. That's pretty exciting, really. So as for this past week, we've been working on the anonymization routing through the Matryoshka. So whenever you're going to make a search through the search engine, it's going to be fully anonymized through the whole network. So we've been working on plugging the searching protocol toward the Matryoshka protocol so that all the search will be anonymized. We've been working on the history management. We've been working on plugging the AI, because the search engine is going to be powered by a strong AI to learn who you are, what you like, what you're searching for, so that whenever you're going to make a search, you're going to have a result, or a match better, or I'd say more customized than any other search engine now on the market. And the power there is that data do not fly away everywhere. It stays in your application, it stays in your device, but the AI is now in your device, not somewhere else where you feed the data. It's the AI that directly goes to your data. So we just are plugging right now the AI within the application. That's a strong challenge at the end of the day, because the AI is going to work on your laptop, on your device, not on some super cloud infrastructure. So of course there is a lot of adaptation of what commonly AI or machine learning algorithm can do. So here we are really focused on something narrowed down to build up the most customizable experience for the user. This is the PikcioBrowser and the search engine. We have a second parallel project, which is around digital identity, as you know, where you can basically register your KYC, process your identity, and make it portable through different services. As for now, we have a full team dedicated to this specific offer, this specific service. It's more B2B oriented for the finance, for the ICOs, for the STOs, pretty much wherever they need identification, so that can be even wider. And for now they are working on defining the whole process and the whole portability powered by the Pikcio chain. So as for this week, they are working on the platform to implement all the KYC forms, all the KYB, know your business forms, so that company can register, can set up their users directly on this platform and to feed it with identity. So it's on the early stage. As for now, we are KYC provider, we are KYC portability provider, but the digital identity as a service project, he has 2 names. It's the automatization of all this process to make it lean and easier to integrate for companies. So really now we're working on the full automatization, and it's really based on the forms, on the platform, web platform, for integrating the solution. So it's still on the early stage. We have a roadmap going for the 3 next months. But things, because in the beginning, are going pretty fast, especially regarding the form and the interface. So this is something also very important, and you will see at the end of the story, not at the end of the story, but in the middle of the story, that all this project, the browser from one side and the digital identity from another, at the end are going to merge. But for now, we, because of opportunities and because we want to display 2 different use cases, but they're going to merge at the end. But from the customer side, we have the search engine, the browser, and from the business side, it's more oriented around the KYC and digital identity. So this is what I can tell you for this week. Of course, more updates are going to come over the time, more tech updates. Now this is one of the first to introduce what a bit we're doing, but you're going to give more insights. And of course, I'm going to make dedicated videos around the PikcioBrowser, so you can also check it out to have even more details. Thank you guys, and see you later.